Hi everyone, let's see the question chef and strings. So for example, let's take a guitar consisting of 6 strings. So for example, if you plug the first string and next if you plug the second string, so we must find the difference between them. The output is finding the difference between them. But chef is not playing a guitar with 6 strings. If it is of 6 strings, it is easy. But he is playing a guitar consisting of 10 power 6 strings. So it is somewhat complex. So we should write a program to find that. So for example, if we consider a guitar consisting of 6 strings starting from 1 to 6, we have 2, 3, 4 and 5 which we are skipping in the middle. From 1 we are going to 6. After that it may be 2 or 5 or 4 if it guitar is consisting of 6 strings. So if it is of 10 power 6 strings, it may be 1 and it may skip till 10,000 or it may skip up to 1 lakh also. So we must write a program to find that number of skipped strings. So if we consider this example, here there are 2, 3, 4 and 5 the skipped strings are. So the count is 4. Coming to the sample test cases, there are 6 strings in input. Out of 10 power 6 we must plug all these strings. So starting from 1 to 6, the difference is 2, 3, 4 and 5. So up to now the count is 4. Let's keep a variable to store our count. So count is 4, and from 6 to 11, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So again the count is 4. Total up to now count is 8. Again from 11 to 6, but you must count them in negative manner. So from 11 to 6 the count is again 4. So up to now the count is 12. Again from 6 to 10 the count is 3. So total count is 15. But from 10 to 11 the count is 0. So coming to the total count, the count is 15. And so starting from 1 going to 3, we have skipped one string, that is 2. What is the string doesn't matter, we just want the count. And from 3 to 5 difference is 1, and from 5 to 7 the difference is 1. So since we must not consider as in these cases we must not consider the negative values, so we shall use absolute in that case. So I have read the inputs, n number of strings and an array and some value, nothing but to count a count variable. So let's run a loop starting from first index to n minus 1 position. So let's add sum equal to sum plus, we need absolute value, so I'm using absolute of a of 5 plus 1 minus a of 5. That means next string minus current string, the absolute value, and we need to do a minus minus. For example, if you think this has 11 and if you think this a of 5 has 6, the difference come as 5, but we need 4 because we don't want to include one string. So I am doing this sum minus minus, and after doing this let's just print the sum.